Welcome to Best Car Fixes 2014 Lincoln MKS 2014. Okay, when you put the AC on, you're supposed to have two fans working at the same time. When you put the AC on, you're supposed to have two fans working. When the fan click, you see this one work, the other one, this one doesn't work. Let me show you here. You see this fan? If I jump it, go. So look here, inside there, it's been already heat. And this module also is burnt. We're gonna get another one. We clean this one here and we put it. If not, the whole fuse box or this have to be replaced. Yeah. Hey, how are you? Okay. I'm very happy it worked before. Like when you put it and it works, it's okay. But it sometimes doesn't work. We have those to use some of them. Good, it's working. Just need to, we're gonna clean it. It's coming, it's feeding a relay. Right now when I see work, when you put it here, you're gonna hear it. But it is going to stop. So the AC will not work fine. Here's the fuse, number 32. And you need this tool to pull out the relays, or a special one to pull out the fuses. Let me show me that tool. It's very good from Snap-on. See this one here? It have all the cleaning. I like the Land Rover when they are good. Behind you. What's Cherno doing?
Everybody doing fine.
Alhamdulillah. MashaAllah. That one is good. It looks like the one under the other one is the one that makes trouble.
Give me your number. I lost your card.
347 228 1875.
So I will call you tomorrow.
Yeah, call me and see if you can drop it here.
All right.
Let me see. No problem. If it's not, I will solder a wire there and make it outside. Please subscribe, share, and like. And if you have any questions, feel free to ask.